Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CJ affiliate tracking for US publishers, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable CJ affiliate tracking for US publishers, start by logging into your CJ affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various options. Click on the Account Settings tab. In the Account Settings menu, locate the Tracking section. Under Tracking, select Tracking Links. Next, click on Add New Tracking Link. Fill in the necessary details for the tracking link, such as the name and description. Choose the type of link you want to create, such as a direct link or a custom link. Select the desired advertiser from the available list. Now, enter any additional parameters you want to include for tracking purposes. Review your entries to ensure all information is accurate. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to create the tracking link. After saving, you will see the newly created tracking link listed in your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Reports section from the dashboard. In Reports, look for the Performance Metrics option. Select the dates for which you want to track your performance. Review the metrics to ensure your tracking link is functioning correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, revisit the tracking section to adjust settings as needed. Finally, test the tracking link to ensure it redirects properly to the intended advertiser's page. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled CJ affiliate tracking for US publishers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.